Alright everybody, welcome back real quick. So we're doing a split screen mode on this new phone, Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. And so I got these lights turned all the way down real quick, but we're going to brighten them up real quick and kind of go through them. These are our newest LEDs. These we can still use with the old controllers. We have some new controllers with this as well, but these are a lot brighter than our other LEDs that we have been using in the past. So these also come in clear, as well as the tinted or blacked out version that's real popular and we sell so many of. Typically, we don't use blackout on wheel lights or underbody. We can use them on wheel lights, but we try not to unless it's a special request, because you really want these to be as bright as possible. And keep in mind that when you're using blackout lights, you're blocking some of that light. So I'm going to go ahead and brighten these guys up. This is at full brightness. We're going to speed them up just a little bit to go through some of the auto functions here. And so we got, again, our warm white versus our cold white. And I can promise you, looking at these is blinding. So these still have the same 120-degree viewing pattern like any other LED. These are have a little bit larger chips. So and they use a different driver on the circuit board, so that's why they're a little bit brighter in this. Ironically, the wattage consumption is not any greater than our existing ones. And looks like I lost it there for a second. Alright, so anyway, just wanted to show these off. And let's see, we can go here. So again, our standard colors: red, green, blue, cold white. Just go to auto and let it cycle through. But again, these are available on the website. The new holiday pricing is available on the website. We were running a significant coupon on the kits prior to holiday season, so we just went ahead and dropped the pricing on all of the kits for the rest of the holiday season. So I do urge you to order before you need them. Do not wait. Please, please, please do not wait until a day or two or a few days before Christmas and think you're going to have them there. You know, Santa's coming down the chimney on Christmas Eve. It's not going to happen. Please remember, your carriers are going to be backed up. There's going to be shipping delays. We go through this every year. Every year we go through this. So please, please, please order before you need them, so that we can try to get them to you by your deadlines. So anyway, just want to show them off real quick. You guys have seen them. Everything works like it's supposed to. We're going to get ready to break this down and box them up and get them out to the customer. So told them they'd be out by Friday, and it is Thursday night. It is 8:01 p.m. So I am done for the night. But obviously, these are done and ready to go. So this color wheel, you can just kind of create your own colors, which is what I'm doing here. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. There'll be a link in the video description below, as always. You can go to the website. You can find prices and options. Other than that, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. And we'll see you guys on the next video.